What's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist completely obsessed with you. That is the title of today's episode. We all know something about narcissists. The narcissist lacks empathy. They want attention. They want constant validation. They use and misuse others. The narcissist's main goal in your life is to destroy you. It is to punish you. It is to cause pain in your life. That's how they feel satisfied. Narcissists only know one thing: to use you, to abuse you, to misuse you. They want to be surrounded by people that they can use. People that they can use for their own selfish needs. The narcissists want to be admired. They want affection, they want attention, constant validation. They want reassurance, recognition, acknowledgement. That's what the narcissist wants. Now, you can use all this to your advantage. You can use all this to make the narcissist obsessed with you completely. Number one way of making the narcissist obsessed with you completely is to look your best. Shine. Choose to look best, good. Dress well. Appear well. Look stunning, beautiful. Dress well. You know, narcissists are all about appearances. So, put effort in how you dress. Put effort into your outfits. Narcissists want to be seen with people who look good. They're proud people. They want to be associated with what is colorful. If you want the narcissist in your life to be obsessed with you completely, then look very good. Look as better as them, or even much better. They will be obsessed with you. They'll keep thinking about you. Put a lot of effort, put a lot of thought into how you dress, into your clothes. Take good care of yourself. Personal grooming should be number one if you want to make the narcissist completely obsessed with you. No matter the occasion, always look your stunning level best. Look very attractive, look very magnetic. The narcissist will be obsessed with you completely. They'll want to be seen with you all the time. They'll want to be associated with you. Now, the other way of making the narcissist completely obsessed with you is to be hot and cold, to be cold and hot. Play with the narcissist's emotions. Make the narcissist chase you. Flirt with the narcissist today, then be cold tomorrow. You might laugh at the narcissist jokes today. Tomorrow, be serious. Today you are touching them. Tomorrow you're not touching them. Today you are all over them, giving them the attention they need. Tomorrow you are ignoring them. The narcissist will be confused with this behavior of hot and cold. They'll ask themselves, what is happening? So, when you ignore the narcissist, they get confused. Then give them the attention they need later on. Then ignore them again. So be hot and cold. The other way of making the narcissist obsessed with you is to be a little arrogant. Be a little confident. The narcissists, remember, they have fragile egos. They have low self-esteem. And there's nothing that catches the narcissist's eye like a confident person, because the narcissist wants that person's approval. They'll want your attention because they have fragile egos. They have low self-esteem within them. They'll need validation from you. That's the only way it will feed their ego. There are narcissists who see confident people as a challenge. They'll try to break you. They'll try to break your spirit. They'll try to use narcissistic abuse to break you up. Remember the narcissistic cycle of abuse. They love bomb you first. That is the idolization. Then they devalue you by looking down upon you, verbally attacking you. Then they discard you. And again, sometimes they hoover you back again. Now, the other way of making the narcissist completely obsessed with you is to show them that you are a prize to be won. To show them that you are valuable. to show them that you are important. Narcissists want status. They believe they are special. They believe they are very important. They believe they need special things in their life. So show them that you are this valuable thing. Because to the narcissist, everybody is below them. So when they see that you are a prize to be won, if they realize that you have a high status, maybe job, high status friends, high status anything, they'll be obsessed with you. The other thing is to let the narcissist chase you. Let the narcissist come after you. Let the narcissist feel they're stronger than you. Let them rescue you. Because the narcissists they want to be valued. They believe they are more special than others. They believe they're stronger than the others. Let them give you solutions to things. That way they'll be obsessed with you. They'll be overjoyed. They'll be extremely happy if they think that they're getting your attention. Especially if they know you are not easy to get. Now, if the narcissist thinks they've done you a favor, if they think they've rescued you, they'll be obsessed with you. Now, the other way of making the narcissist completely obsessed with you is to be very busy with your own hobbies, with your own friends, with your own support system, with your own goals. Show the narcissist that you have a life of your own. The narcissist will want to be part of that life. If they think that you're giving too much attention, too much energy, too much emotions to other relationships, to other goals, to other activities, then the narcissist will easily get jealous. They'll easily get protective. They'll easily get obsessed with you because they want to own you. They want to be the center of attention. They want everything to revolve around them. They believe that you should be focusing on them and not anything else. So when you spend time with other people, when you spend time doing your own things, your own hobbies, the narcissist will be so jealous. They'll be so irritated. They'll want to be with you. They'll obsess over you. They'll think about you all the time. They'll think that you're not committed to that relationship. You'll be like a challenge to them. They'll want to control you. But remember, narcissists get bored very easily. So don't allow them to be bored with you. So always be a challenge to them, and that way they'll be obsessed with you. Now, when the narcissist realizes that you like them, then they quickly get bored. So those positive thoughts you have about them, keep them to yourself. Let the narcissist not know how much you like them. If you keep praising the narcissist all the time, they'll take you for granted. Be emotionally withdrawn if you want the narcissist to be completely obsessed with you. Don't show them emotions. Don't show them that you have too much feelings for them. Keep your distance. Everything the narcissist does is because of their own ego. They want narcissistic supply. They want you to worship them. They want you to focus on them. They want you to focus on their needs. So don't do that. Don't give them narcissists the attention they need. They will be crazy with you. They will be obsessed with you. They'll ask themselves, how comes you don't want to give them the attention they need? So don't give the narcissist that attention they need. The other way of making the narcissist obsessed with you completely is to create drama, create conflict, create chaos. That's what narcissists thrive on. They thrive on chaos, drama, conflicts. They thrive on attention. So when you are around a narcissist, be a little exciting, be argumentative, create chaos, create conflicts here and there. They'll be so obsessed with you. They love that. Now the other way is to discard them first. When you discard the narcissist first, they'll be so confused. How dare you cut off contact with them? Yet they're still idealizing you. Yet they're still love bombing you. They'll obsess over you. Why did you leave them? They'll start obsessing and overthinking. How can they get you back? So that's how the narcissist is. If you want them obsessed over you, discard them first. Dump them first. Be the first one to leave. Go no contact. Cut them off from your life. They will be confused. They'll completely start obsessing over you, thinking about you every day. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.